Tonight, we're diving into California's insurance crisis. This is a topic that ABC 10 has been covering for years, and January's Los Angeles wildfires is really putting a strain on insurance companies as homeowners work to rebuild. Now, many homeowners rely on the state's FAIR plan. That's the insurance plan that provides coverage to homeowners who can't get private coverage because their properties are deemed too risky to insure. Now, the crisis is spreading to newly built homes in areas that aren't prone to wildfires. ABC 10's Becca Habegger spoke with the developer and insurance experts today.
To have these rooftop decks in historic Roseville, you're right next to the tracks as the train's going by now.
Christopher Brown is excited about these 18 new townhomes now for sale in historic Roseville.
Yeah, we just started sales. We're hoping to have first move-ins this summer.
He's the principal of the next group of companies, broker on this project called the Belvedere.
We have over 1,000 people on an interest list.
The interest and excitement are high, but Brown says he now has to worry about something that never used to be an issue with new homes.
This month is my 30th year in this business, and I've never had insurance issues, ever. It's always just been one of those things. Our homes are completed when they're completed. You call your insurance agent and it's taken care of. Now we actually had to go to the extra step of adding disclosures into our purchase agreements because we just don't know what's going to happen.
To be clear, he says he hasn't run into issues at the Belvedere, but he has seen it at other projects he's been involved in throughout Placer County.
We've had some homeowners that were able to get insurance within the community, no problem. And we had homeowners within weeks or months of each other then had to go and get insurance from FAIR Plan.
That's the bare bones, high-cost fire insurance of last resort, required by the state to write policies when other insurers won't. Here in West Roseville, signs of new developments are everywhere, but insurance agents and brokers are having increasingly difficult times finding policies for people buying these homes, many turning to the FAIR Plan. One insurance expert tells me this zip code, 95747, is where many insurers have what's called capacity concerns, nearing or hitting too many customers within a 5-mile radius, and therefore pausing writing new homeowners insurance policies for now. The expert says she's seeing the issue especially in Rockland's 95765 and Folsom's 95630 zip codes. The California Department of Insurance tells ABC 10 if an insurer writes new policies that drive up the concentration of risk in an area, they may hit a point where they say no more new business in that area, at least until that concentration of risk changes. The department says Insurance Commissioner Ricardo Lara's sustainable insurance strategy, implemented this year, should hopefully entice insurers to return to writing more fully throughout the state and increase availability of coverage. As ABC 10 has reported, the strategy offers tools and reforms the industry has sought for years, but only to companies that agree to write more policies in wildfire-prone areas.
And then you got this middle floor.
But the change won't happen overnight, and in the meantime, developers and brokers like Brown are staying vigilant.
It's solvable. It seems like we're moving through it, but it's definitely a challenge.
In Roseville, Becca Habegger, ABC 10.